Hi guys, thanks for watching. This is Matthias Haakman for KG Systems and KG Greenhouses. As you can see, I'm in California this week and I'm here to visit some clients. That's not the only reason why I'm here, because this week is the week of the MjBiCon show in Las Vegas, and later this week I'll be driving up there and to show you what it's all about. So if you want to see more, stay tuned. Hi guys, as you can see, I just got here, so everything is being set up for the show. Tomorrow the show will start, and yeah, I'm gonna have a sneak peek. And of course, a visit to Las Vegas can never pass by without a visit to the Strip and the old Strip at Fremont Street. Hi guys, so this is day one. I'm at the front of the convention center here in Las Vegas. The MjBizCon, just to, for the people who don't know about it, this is the single largest cannabis show in the world. And you can find anything here in the field of cannabis, that is from packaging or extraction, post-harvest, growing systems, greenhouses, indoor facilities. Yeah, basically anything what has to do with growing or processing or selling cannabis products, you can find it here. This year we moved to the South Hall because the North Hall was not big enough anymore. The South Hall is much bigger. It has 2 levels, and I've been inside already yesterday, and it's really huge and impressive. Later I'm gonna show you, of course, how the show looks like and what it's all about. Just to give you a little information, KG Systems and KG Greenhouses are not having a booth at the show, but we are represented. KG Systems is represented by Dutch Direct and Bellpark Horticulture, and KG Greenhouses is represented by BFG's Supplies and DeCloet Greenhouses. So I'm gonna go inside and follow me and yeah, enjoy the movie. Hi guys, welcome at the booth of Bellpark Horticulture. This is a Canadian-based company active in the US and Canada, and they are a reseller for growing veg solutions in the United States and Canada, and they are also a dealer for dry jar and visser, and yeah, they are specialized in crop handling, pot handling, tray handling, filling, transplanting. So really, yeah, experienced team of guys who know all about these technologies. So if you're ever in need of this kind of technology and you're based in Canada or the US, go to these guys. So right now I'm at the booth of Dutch Direct. Dutch Direct is one of our US representatives. They sell a lot of our vertical grow racks and roto benches for cannabis nurseries. And Dutch Direct is your go-to guy for grow lights, substrates, fertilizers and many more. So Dutch Direct, guys. right now I'm at the booth of BFG Supply and DeCloet greenhouses. These guys are representatives for the US market for greenhouses, for KG greenhouses and Dutch agro systems. So if you're in the need of these kind of systems, make sure to contact these guys or us and you'll be in good hands. Hi guys, as you can see the show is over. Breakdown time. I really want to thank everybody who was here and who I spoke with. I really enjoyed the show. Thanks everybody. But we're not going home just yet. So what do you do after a long week hard work? Of course you go to the largest dispensary in the world, Planet 13. Hi guys, thanks for watching and good job for making it all the way to the end of the movie. I'm going home right now. I really had a blast in Las Vegas. It was a great show. I had a good time. I want to thank everybody who I met, who I spoke with. And yeah, I hope that you want to support me by follow me on LinkedIn, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course liking my video. So yeah, thanks again and looking forward to see you back guys. Cheers!